Okay, so once we have completed our pen, if you go over to Paths and you hit the Control key and click on the thumbnail, it will select. You need to go back to Layers. You need to add a layer. And if you hit Alt backspace, it will fill with whatever your top color is. You hit Control D. You need to make a new layer. You need to hit Control T and you need to flip it horizontal. Then you will have a complete can. If you hold the two together, hold the Shift key and then hit Merge Layers. Now then you should be fine. And I'm not exactly sure where it glitches to. However, if you hit the Control key and click on the thumbnail, it will give me my selection. You turn that off, you go to Layer 1 and you click Mask.